Hi children, how are you? I'm Megha, Miss Drawing Teacher here. Today I'm teaching for 3rd standard. Yes, standard 3rd. So today we are going to do a very interesting drawing topic. You will also like it. Step by step I will show you how you have to draw, and same step by step I will tell you how you have to color. You just follow how I am telling, and here we go. See, our topic is design on a lamp. We are going to make a beautiful design on the lamp. So the basic measurement, you see how I will tell. So first a slipping line you will take of 10 centimeter. Height of lamp is 12 centimeter. Then again the down line should be of 18 centimeter. Then the height of the stand of lamp is 12 centimeter, and then the down part of the lamp that you can take any measure of your own. Now we will start drawing our lamp. Again I will explain you the measurement if it is not clear, children. Then first you will make the eyeball line of the lamp. How I am making? You use scale and pencil. It is of 10 centimeter. See, I am writing there. So first line is of 10 centimeter. Then the distance between two lines is 12 centimeter. Okay. After that, make another line. Leave the gap. Make another line of again 18 centimeter. As I told you. Understood? So you understood both the lines you have to join by two curved lines. See, exactly like this. So our lamp shape is ready. Now we are going to make design inside it. First we will draw two wave lines. See, leaving a little gap from upside, draw one wavy line. Then another wave line again below that. Yes, exactly like this. Only this much. Then we will start drawing our fish inside it. Now the fish we are going to make that we are going to use triangle shape and C shape. See how I am making my first fish. First make a triangle shape. Yes, like this. Then rub the middle part of the triangle shape to make the fish tail. See where I am rubbing it. Yes, there. Rub it slightly. Yes. Now I will make a C shape there. Then again make a double line of C. Yes, now tail is ready. Make the dot for eye. Now another fish I will make but looking upward, in upward direction. So make a triangle in the up direction. Yes, like this. Then again we will rub middle part of triangle to draw the fish tail using C shape. Yes, again double it, children, like this. Make a dot for eye. Now third fish looking downward, in downward direction. Make a triangle shape. Then again rub the middle part and again make there a C shape for the fish tail. Step by step do how I am telling, children. Make a dot for eye. So like this our three fish are over. Now I am going to draw a circle. For the background design you have to draw small and big circles. See, like this, go on drawing big and small circles in the background. Yes, anywhere you can do like this how I am doing. Go on doing. Do it very properly. Some big, some small. Like this we will cover our full background with the circle design. Yes. So in this way we have finished our design on this lamp. Now we are going to make the down part, that is our stand of lamp. So the height of that stand is 12 centimeter, children. take the proper measurement. Don't do any mistake. So this is of 12 centimeter. See how I am making two lines for stand, but see, up it is thin and down it is broad. So you also make like that. Now the last part of lamp is first draw one slipping line and below that one more but big. So up line is small and down line is big. Again join it with curve shape. So like this our lamp is over. Now we will start coloring, children. So on one page I have already made one design, and all these colors we are going to use: orange, yellow, violet, light pink, dark blue, black, brown and ochre yellow. Okay, so I have already taken these colors. Now my design is ready here. Give a very nice outline so it will look very good, children. Now I will start coloring my lamp. First I will use orange color. Start giving from upside. See where I am giving it. Yes, this whole part you will color with orange. See that your color should not go out. Give it very properly. Give it very nicely. We'll fill this full part with orange color for a very nice combination. Yes. Then this same orange color we will use down also. This is done. Now next where we are going to use, you just see from down. See. And you have to color even on the circles also. We are going to color circle one more time afterwards. So you can color on circles also. But give this orange color half only, not full. See till where I am giving, children. Yes, exactly like this. You can give one circle also. Like this I have done orange color half, and half we are going to give shading with yellow color. And merge the color very properly, children. It should be look very nice. Yes, like this. Merge the color very properly and go on doing till up, till the wavelines. Merge it very nicely in orange color. Again you have did this on the circles also. Now we will color the circles. See how I am going to do it. You will take dark blue color for it, because dark blue will only look on it. So you start giving dark blue color on the circles. See how nice it is looking. Yes, on all the circles give it. See that your blue color should not go out, otherwise it will spoil our shading. Do step by step how I am telling you, so it will look very nice. All the circles color with dark blue color. See, like this I have completed all the circles using dark blue color. Now we are going to color our fish using two shades, that is violet and light pink. Two color shadings. First we will start with violet color from the tip. See from where I have started. Yes. Give half only violet color, half we will give pink color for shading. Yes, like this merge your light pink color in violet color. See how nice it is looking. Same way you will do other two fishes also using the two shades. See, three fishes I have completed using two shades. It is looking very nice. Now the waveline again I am doing the same violet color, but only violet color. So give it very nicely. See that color should not be merged with other color. It should not go out. Give it very properly. So in this waveline we are giving violet color. So complete this full violet color till end like this. So we have done this design with violet color. We have finished. Now The down part of the lamp we have done with the same violet color. Okay, now we are going to do stand. Now this stand is, I'm using two colors again. First we will do fishtail with black color. Here also black color. Yes, all the fishtails using black color. Then I will do my stand using two shades, children, that is brown and ochre yellow. Yes, these two shades. First we will start with brown color. From where I am starting, see that it should not go out. Give more brown. We are going to give two shades here in the stand, this much brown, then ochre yellow. Now merge the ochre yellow color in brown color. Yes, like this. Merge it very carefully, so it will give a very nice effect. Yes, like this we have done two shadings in the stand, so it is looking very beautiful, right? You must have enjoyed this and you will do very nice, I know. Thank you, children.